What's up guys? My name is Bryan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you the choreography that I made to the song FYT by Jeremih. So let's start. Okay, for this step, you're gonna need to put your arm to your hand to your pocket because you're going to need to move front walk to the front. So front walk to the front, you need to move front. 6, 7, it goes like we'll change. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Get that one. 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll change. 2 and 3 and 4. From here, you're gonna go in 5 and 6, right, left, and open. That's right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. From here, you're gonna roll 1, 2. Step to your right, to your left, 3, 4. Then open on 5, and raise your left, 6, drop 7, away, and raise your right foot, 8. That's right. So 5, 6, 7, 8 goes 1, 2, 3, up, 5 and knee, and 7 and 8. Alright? Okay, next from here, we're gonna go brush 1, 2, then lower 3, and up 4. Goes and 5. You can go and 5, 6, then 6, 7, and 8. Let's try again. Alright, from here, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, and brush. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 5, 6, 7, point. That is ad-lib. You can do 1, 2, 3, walk, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, again, 5, 6, 7, and goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, point, ad-lib, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and apply kick. Okay, next, from here, put your hand to your right side. Step your left, hit your shoulder, and back. Again, 7, and goes 1 and 2. Okay, again, 3, and then 1 and 2, chest, 3, and 4. Side, 5, head, 6, 7, and 8. One more time, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and up, 4. Side, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step to the right, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, and step 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, next, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, then ad-lib, 6, and 7, pose. Get it? Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Ad-lib. 5, 6, 7. Freeze. Cool. Now let's do it from the beginning. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1. Stop. 3, 4. Head. 5, 6. Wait. Point at lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulder. 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Ad lib. 5, 6, 7. Reach. Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. And if you want to check all my dance tutorial, just go to my channel and go to playlist. Just find the dance tutorial and you can find a lot of videos there. So, see you next time. Bye-bye. Shaboom.